Actually, I'm so sorry. I had to waste it. I had to waste it. Bye-bye. My boy.
Hindi ganyan mag-ano sa cellphone. Kita ko mo, kaya nasisira.
Hindi. Nagla-live kasi ako. Bro, you know my country. Philippines. Susas. Lola.
Yes.
Saan ka punta?
Sa barangay, may huli sila ni Ate Erna.
See? Anong Ate Erna? She's a cook. Ate Erna is a cook.
Pupunta din si Lola B.
Yeah. Basically, I'm escaping. POV, me at night.
Magchinilas ka.
Get this, and then...
Sige, pag lumabas ka, ilak ko yan. Hindi ka na makapasok.
outside. So that's how we escape during the night. Nobody get me. Jiro! Hi! Galit na ako sa'yo. Ganito ang gagawin ko sa'yo. Kagat sa tiyan. And then... What? The belt? Jiro's hand. But really super far. The length and then POV. I'm dead. So that's our embarrassing story.